Blessings, beautiful people. Welcome back again to another video and welcome back to my channel. I am Tishina and today I will be making some sorrel juice. Original sorrel juice. My grandmother usually love make sorrel juice when time Christmas are come around, but the only thing is hurricane just gone and we can't get no sorrel. So I made a jar for the supermarket sorrel. But don't worry, even though my first time I try it, we still gonna make it nice and flavory. Alright, watch my beautiful dog. Stay tuned if you don't want to see all of that. Alright, this are the sorrel I use. Of course this is not a promotion video, let's say that from now, but this is the sorrel I'm gonna use and we're gonna see how it turn out. So the first thing I'm gonna do, put some water for like warm and then soak it in the water overnight with ginger, clove, pimento seed, pimento seed, and we'll see, probably some orange peel and something if you like it flavor, but I gotta deal with it nice. Alright, so as we go along, we'll see. I can't really smell right now because we have a cold, and also can't really taste not much neither. So this is my beautiful flowers. This is a new plant of mine, I just got it. Smell, I can't really smell it. Also fill a shine pan like this with water and put it for boil. But I will put it on the fire. Let's pour it in and see. These are some gingers that I already cleaned. I already washed them. Then I go beat some and put in there, like just use one stone and beat them up. Like river stone, because we love use river stone and beat up garlic, ginger and kind of thing. So I use a river stone and beat this, and also I go grate some of them too. So it can be strong. This is it steaming right now. It smells so nice. And right now I'm gonna put in the ginger, which are gonna make it smell even nicer. I also decided to I'm gonna grate the ginger instead of beating it up. So I'm gonna grate it like this and just grate it. You want the ginger to be strong, you know. I don't know if I'm going to put my red label wine or anything like that in there. Everybody make sorrel juice different. I have this on my own recipe, and then nobody give me this. This create my own sorrel recipe. I used to also love eating the melon seeds, but now I have to save all them for plant, just to see if them are going to come. And just to grow my own food, because I know so for a while we're not going to have no vegetable and everything. If we have, it's not going to be super expensive. I have to save the seed them for plant, for grow my own things right now. Alright, showing the ginger right now. Okay, make sure so we mix that around. Alright, then we just add it to the pot. Make that go on boil or steam or whatever. So hot pepper, clove, cinnamon, pimento seeds, and a piece of ginger. And I already know, say, may I use my simple natural coconut oil as usual. Since a fish we fry, we put a good amount because we don't want them to stick to the pot. You see? Okay, that's good. I also have some kingfish already seasoned with, what is name again? Some gold fish, I don't remember. But yeah, I'm gonna cook that right now. Alright? With some quinoa. Yeah, now I'm gonna put in my onions and garlic, pepper, thyme, and scallion. Quinoa with pumpkin, onions, scallion, thyme, pepper, and then some kingfish and coconut juice. And this time I'm not fry it too much because I don't want to be straight. This is the morning after, and this is orange juice. Remember, you see them say I have a little cold, so they can really taste good. I feel like them put a lot of coloring in it, but other than that, it tastes alright.